Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll tell you the best alternate for Claude Code, and the tool that I'm going to tell you, you can access it for free unlimitedly without paying a single rupee. So the tool name is OpenCode. OpenCode is the best alternate for Claude Code because it is free. As I told you in my previous video, if you watch my previous video, I told you that I have spent hours of time just to find the ways to access Claude Code for free. And literally, honestly, I understood that we cannot access Claude Code for free. So I found best alternate in that process. So OpenCode is best alternate for Claude Code. And I'll tell you how to install, how to set up, and how to connect everything. And for this OpenCode also, we need to connect Open Router to use free models. Also, we can connect any other providers such as Nvidia and remaining all. So firstly, let's jump into how we can set this up. So initially, we need to have a node. This node version is required, and you can install by coming into this website, this particular website, and you can install it for Mac, Linux, and any other operating system. Once you install, you have to search for OpenCode, and this is the website. If you open this one, here you can find just a command. This command has to be run in your terminal to get OpenCode installed in your system. So I'll just open my command prompt, copy that command. So I'll just paste it here and I'll run. So it is being installed. So OpenCode has been installed in our system. We can check by just typing OpenCode version. Yeah, see it has been installed in our system. I'll just close my terminal. Now what we have to do is, I'll just create a new folder on my desktop. I'll call it as OpenCode, and I'll open this one in my VS Code because I want to use VS Code terminal. So our VS Code has been opened. Now I'll go to my terminal. What we need to do here is just type OpenCode. Once you type OpenCode, the OpenCode will be launched. I typed. So here you can see the OpenCode has been launched. Now we need to connect our Open Router API key to OpenCode to access the free models that Open Router is providing. Also, we can connect Nvidia API key to this OpenCode to access the free models that Nvidia is providing. So firstly, let's connect Open Router. So for that, we need to go to our Open Router website. So this is the Open Router website, and you need to create an account. And if you click on this get API key, you will find an API key. So what I will do now is, I'll create an API key called OpenCode 1, and I'll copy this particular API key, and here what we have to do is, we have to type a command /connect. Here we have to search for Open Router. See, you can find an option called Open Router. Click on that Open Router and provide your API key that we copied and click on enter. It has connected. Now we need to select, Open Router has been connected. We need to select the free models. See, if we type here free, we can find all the free models available, and we can use all of them in our OpenCode. I'll just go with this one. I don't know if it is a text model or not. I'll go with default. So if I type hi, let's check if it's working. See, it responded. So this is how we can connect Open Router to this particular OpenCode, and I'll try to build a simple tic-tac-toe application using this OpenCode by just wipe coding. So create a tic-tac-toe website. Create a tic-tac-toe website. That is the simple prompt I gave. I'll click on enter. And in a while, I'll tell you how you can connect Nvidia. Nvidia is also a good platform that provides free API keys you can access. We can connect that one to this OpenCode and access that models as well. So in a while, I'll tell you how we can access that particular Nvidia API keys and connect to this OpenCode. And yeah, I think it has created a folder, and index.html file has been created. And if I click on go live, let's see how it has created. So this is a tic-tac-toe application that our OpenCode has built in less than 10 seconds. Let's check if it is working or not. See here, it also given scores. Also, if you can see the animations and the attractiveness of this website is damn good. Like within less than 10 seconds, we created a TikTok application with these all features. I can reset and again I can play. This done with a simple Claude Code alternative. Let's try to connect Nvidia as well to this OpenCode so that we can use Nvidia's models as well. So the same process, run a command called /connect and search for Nvidia. So here we can find a provider Nvidia and we have to paste API key. For that we need to go to Nvidia. And where is this Nvidia? I'll just close this terminal. So this is the official website of Nvidia NIM that provides API keys. I need to log in. So once you logged into your Nvidia account, this is the interface, and click on this particular profile, and here you can find an option called API keys, and here you can generate a new API key. I'll call it as OpenCode 1, and you can set number of days that API key to be inactive. I'll just leave it as 12 months and I'll click on generate. Just copy this one, paste it here, enter. See here you can find all the models. We have to search for free models, or here it is not showing free models. What we can do here is we'll just go to the models and we'll search for free endpoints, and whatever free endpoints here it is giving, we search the same thing there. So this is a free endpoint here. We'll search the same thing there also. Like I'll copy this one, I'll try to search here and it is not providing. I'll just go with this one because I didn't find that. I'll try to say hi. See, it is giving the output. So literally this is the best Claude Code alternate. The platform name is OpenCode. You can access it for free. And I want to tell you one thing, the only thing that disappoints with this OpenCode is, see, the Claude Code is a very good platform. Like it is a very good platform, and the models that Anthropic uses like Opus, Haiku, Sonnet, Fable, Mythos, these all models are super intelligent because they are trained on huge amount of data. So obviously the paid Claude Code works better than this OpenCode. And if you're a student and if you're someone who are just entering into this AI world, agentic AI worlds, then OpenCode is a better platform to get in touch with the agents. But if you are handling the huge code base, then this OpenCode may not read all the code files and cannot identify the bugs or cannot write the efficient code than Claude Code, because Claude Code is super powerful. It can identify the bugs in your code. It can identify security vulnerabilities in your code base. So obviously Claude Code works better than this OpenCode, but this is worth trying. So if you learn something new in this video, and if you find best alternate for Claude Code that is for free, please consider subscribing or liking the video. I'll see you in the next video.